guys, welcome back to our channel, and for those of you who are new here, we're Ferd and Frank, two restless retirees doing our best to try to see this beautiful world around us, and we want you to join us. So join us here as we continue our adventure in Atlantic Canada.
Isn't that something?
Before we get started, let's watch some highlights.
Hello everyone. We are on a road trip here in New Brunswick, and our very first stop is going to be in Grand Falls. We're just stopping to have some breakfast and we're going to move on.
But we're going to catch it on the way back because they got a big falls here.
Yep, and a big gorge that a national park, I guess, or a provincial park that has that. So we're going to stop in to see that on the way back. But in the meantime, we're going to be going to the big stop, which is Irving. Irving is a company here in New Brunswick for logging and oil and gas, and I think gas, I don't know. But anyways, they have gasoline stations and so forth, and they have a big truck stop, and they have a restaurant cafeteria style, and we always make a point of stopping in at the big stop. So come and join us.
We have a big breakfast.
A big breakfast.
Okay everyone, all you Java Walker Worlds out there, you probably thought there was an accident when we hit those brakes, but it's not. We just want to remind you that last week we started playing this little game, and we wanted all our viewers and subscribers to join along and put their ideas of which country we thought we were going to. We're doing another house sit. If you don't know, please watch last week's video. But we're doing another trusted house sitters, and there's 5 countries.
What's a house sit?
House sit is where we take care of their pets, their homes, while these people go on vacation.
And then we get to use their home
use their accommodations.
as accommodations.
Yeah. So this week, we've eliminated one last week, so if you didn't catch it, follow up, but we eliminated France. So sadly for them, sucre de bleu.
We're not going to France.
We're not going to France. So we still have 4 countries left. We have Spain, we have Scotland, we have England, and we have Portugal. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see which country we eliminate this week.
Yep, so watch to the end.
Now let's continue with the rest of the story. The big stop is a must for Atlantic Canada travelers as they go through the provinces, through here on the East Coast. There are a lot of big stops, and people will fuel their vehicles, fuel their soul with down home, simple cooking, and it's always very economical. It's always a must for us. Well, everyone, here we are in St. John's, New Brunswick. Thought we would take a road trip.
It's only fitting that it's raining.
It just seems to be the type of season. But they have some lovely old buildings here in St. John. Join us as we do what we love to do, which is simply walk around in a new place. Come and join us. Let's discover St. John, New Brunswick together. It's Sunday morning, so things are nice and quiet. St. John's, New Brunswick is Canada's oldest incorporated city, going back to 1785. This beautiful old city has narrow streets lined with grand old buildings and homes.
Welcome to King Square in St. John, New Brunswick.
The Imperial Theatre opened in 1913. It was built at the time as Eastern Canada's finest theatre. It was built and financed by the Keith Albee chain of vaudeville houses. You know how these historic towns and cities across all of North America have plaques on historical homes. Now I want you to take a look at this home and the historical significance this house has. On this site in 1897, nothing happened. Funny, eh? So here we have a cemetery right next to King Square, just kitty corner of it, and we're going to go take a look at it. I'm sure it's very historical. This old burial ground in the heart of St. John was carefully restored by the Irving family in 1995. The earliest grave markers found is from 1784. Burials here ended in 1848. Back to our hotel to rest. Hi. Come on in. Well, it's the next morning. I wish I had thought of videotaping the room while it was clean before we got right in it and disturbing everything, but we had a lovely sleep and it was a great stay. It had a great working desk, place to put your things. The bathroom was very nice and clean. Was very satisfied. Doesn't look that way right now, but all cleaned up and ready to take on the day. So time to share which country we're eliminating.
Okay everyone, here we are at the end of the video. Drum roll. Which country are we going to eliminate this week? Is it going to be Portugal? Is it going to be Spain? Is it going to be England? I always get stuck on that one. Or is it going to be Scotland? So let's see. Did you put your picks out there? I feel like a carny here. Anyway, we're going to sadly eliminate Spain. So
no Spain this time around.
So Ole is gone. So stay tuned to next week. We're only down to 3. We're getting close. Put your picks in there and see which one it is. See you next week.
Thanks for following us.
Here's a sneak peek of what's to come next week.
Welcome to St. Andrews by the Sea.
And so much more. Enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Hit that like button, send a comment, share this video with a friend. In the meantime, check out our socials, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and Facebook for the latest daily tidbits.